Hello friends, next topic in cryptography and network security is cryptographic hash. What is the meaning of cryptographic hash? A hash function is a deterministic function that maps an input element from a large possible infinite set of output elements. Here input is very large, infinite numbers, and output is limited, smaller set. Okay, so how it maps? See this example here. Sanjay, yes, this is the input. Okay, this is the output. Clear? No, this is map values. Here the input Sanjay map to yes. Sanjay map to yes. Okay, here starting letter of Sanjay is yes, so it map to yes. And Ajay, starting letter is A, it map to A. V, it map to Vijay, V map to V. Sonali map to yes. Okay, like this to D. Clear? No? Okay, this is the mapping. Okay, that maps an input. This is the input from a larger. Okay, these names are many. Okay, there are many names out there. Okay, there are many names out there, but alphabets only 26 from A to Z. Only 26 alphabets. The output is limited. The output element is a much smaller set, only 26 letters. Okay, but input is okay, possibly infinite. There are many names. The input element is mapped to a hash value. Okay, this is hash value. This input element mapped to hash value. These are what? Hash values. For example, in a district level database of residents of that district, an individual's record may be mapped to one of 26 hash buckets. So in district there are many people out there. Okay, so you have to map to this hash bucket. Okay, so there are many people in one district. You have to map to only 26 letters. Each hash bucket is labeled by a distinct alphabet corresponding to the first alphabet of a person name. Okay, so here Sanjay map to yes, Ajay map to A, first alphabet of the name. Give a person's name. Okay, this is our input. The output or hash value, this is the output or hash value, is simply the first letter of that name. It is the first letter of that name. Hashes are often used to speed up insertion. What are the uses of these hashes? Okay, it is used to speed up insertion. It is used to speed up the insertion. Okay, suppose you want to insert new name. Okay, you can easily insert. Deletion, if you want to delete any name, you can delete. And querying of database, if you want to select some data, particular data. Okay, like this. Okay, you can easily do insertion, deletion and querying of database. Clear? No? See here, in the example above, two names beginning with the same alphabet map to the same hash bucket and result in a collision. See example here, Sanjay map to yes, Sonali also map to yes. So here collision occurs. So both names are mapping to same letter yes. So here a collision occurred. Next, what are the properties of the hash functions? Cryptography hash function h of x. The hash function is h of x. Okay, which takes input and gives output. Maps a binary string of arbitrary length to a fixed length binary string, which take binary string of arbitrary length. Okay, the output is, the input is arbitrary length, the output is fixed length. Okay, what are the properties of hash function? Are as follows. First property is one-way property. Given a hash value y belonging to the range of the hash function, given a hash value y belong to the range of hash function, It is computationally infeasible to find an input x such that b of x equal to y. See here, so this is the one-way property. Okay, so here these are the input. Okay, these are the output hash values. Okay, so here the y value is how much? Some in binary numbers 0 1 1 0 like this. Okay, so it infeasible of finding x. Okay, so finding x is infeasible such that h of x equal to 0 1 1 0. Okay, so here x is infeasible to find. Okay, the y value is this one. Okay, so h of x is equal to 0 1 1. Okay, this is y value is 0 1 1 0 like this. Okay, so x value is very infeasible to find. Clear, no? Okay, so y value is given. Okay, given a hash value. So here y value is given here. Okay, so here y value is given here. Given a value, y value is given. It is computationally infeasible to find an input x. It is infeasible to find input x such that b of x equal to y. Next, second property of h of hash, weak collision resistance. Given an input value x, x1, it is computationally infeasible to find another input value of x2 such that h of x1 equal to h of x2. What second property says? See here, x1 is, you know, okay, some 110101. Okay, so by using the x, you calculated hash value. Okay, from this hash value, okay, it infeasible to find x2. It is infeasible to find x2 such that h of x1 equal to h of x2. Clear, no? It is infeasible to, here x is given here. Okay, you calculated hash values. Okay, from this hash values, if you want to calculate x2, it is infeasible of finding x2. Given an input value x1, x1 is given here. It is computationally infeasible to find another input of x2. Okay, infeasible to find x2 such that h of x1 equal to h of x2. Next, third, strong collision resistance. It is computationally infeasible to find two input values of x1 and x2 such that h of x1 is equal to h of x2. It is computationally infeasible. Computationally infeasible to find both values. Okay, so x1 is, you know. Okay, x2 you don't know. It is infeasible to find x2. Next, fourth one, confusion and diffusion. If a single bit in a input string is flipped, then each bit of the hash value is flipped with probability roughly equal to 0.5. If a single bit, okay, if you single bit, if you in the input string, if you flipped any one bit in the input string, then each bit of the hash value is flipped with probability roughly 0.5. Take an example here. Okay, so these are the inputs. Okay, and these are the outputs. Okay, so here triple one is there. Okay, here triple one is changed to 00. It gets flipped. Okay, and here last bit 1 is changed to 0 here. Okay, it gets flipped. Clear, no?